Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're back in the workshop and we're working on this Elite Gourmet Burner that we just got, and it doesn't work. What do you think? Can we fix it? Let's get started. Yeah, what happens when we plug it in and I adjust the dial here, it doesn't turn on. The light doesn't light, so we're going to take it apart. So let's flip this over. And looks like there's a big nut here, so we're just going to unscrew that. And see what's inside here. Let's see. Okay. Alright, looks like we have a heat element and some sort of a fuse here. And we have the temperature settings here that are manual settings and a light. So it shouldn't be that hard to figure out. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, now we're going to get our quick multimeter here. We're going to set it to continuity. And we're going to clip it on one of these leads coming in from the power line. And we're going to test our plug. See which one it is. And it's that one. Can you hear it? Okay, that's good. Okay, let's test the other one. We'll switch the lead over to this side. And we'll see if we got continuity on this one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so both leads are good, coming all the way in from the wall outlet. Of course, we're not plugged into 110. So now we have to test to see where the circuit's broken. And I'm going to be doing that in a couple seconds here. I'll show you. Okay, let's give it a test and find out where the circuit's broken here. We'll come with one of our leads here and we'll test this circuit here. And it's good. That means everything's good to that point, so we'll just keep that over there. And we'll go down to the, can you see it? Can't quite see that, can you? Okay. We'll go down to the thermostat here, and that wire is good going in, and nothing's coming out. Okay. Alright, but what if we turn the thermostat on? I heard it click, and let's see if anything's coming out. Nothing's coming out. And the burner would be on now. So I think the element's good in the burner. I think this thermostat, there's something wrong with it, so we better take a look at that. Yeah, let's take a closer look at that right there. Okay, this is the perfect time to try our macro lens adapter that we made for our AKASO Brave camera here. So let's give it a shot. It just clips right on. Yep, let's try it out. Okay, this is without the macro lens. And that's with the macro lens. Wow, what a difference. Beautiful. Okay, you can actually see the contacts in there. Right down in there. Can you see them? Okay, that's what I believe has the problem. So we're going to probably file them down a little bit and see if we can make contact with them. Because it is moving when you turn the knob. Hear it? But I don't think they're making contact. According to my meter, they're not. So there you go. We're going to fix them. Okay, we have some fine sandpaper here. Let's see if we can get in there and file them down a little bit and make them smooth. Okay, let's close that on the paper. Yeah, okay. Alright, now let's drag it back and forth. Okay, let's open them back up and we'll do the other side. Okay, now let's close them back up. And we'll do this side. Okay, let's open them back up and just blow it out. And we're going to check to see if we got continuity. Okay, we're checking continuity. I connected the test lead to the other end of the line here. And now we're going to hook it to the other side of the thermostat here. And now, hopefully, when we turn this knob, it'll make continuity. So let's listen. Can you hear that? It's working. Shut it off. On. It's working. Off. On. Working. Okay, I think we fixed it. Now we got to test it. Let's take our macro lens off. There you go. Boy, what a difference, huh? Okay, it's definitely working. We have a continuity test from the power line coming in through this resistor here, or thermal break, also fused. And we're over here to the thermostat that didn't work before. So when we turn the knob, it works. Beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to test for 110 volts here, or 120, to make sure though. Boy, that's good. I'm glad we fixed that so far. Hopefully it works. Then we can start cooking. Okay, we're going to set our meter to 200 volts AC on the scale. And we're going to plug it in. And we're going to clip it to the hot side here. And we're going to see what we got. We got 121 volts there. And we didn't have it down here, so. We'll clip that back on there. And we're going to clip it on the other side of the thermostat here to see what we got. Now when we turn the knob, there should be 121 volts on there. Or thereabouts. Okay, it's going through this resistor here. Thermal coupler. Yeah. Alright, well it's working. And the light's on. So there you go. Well, I don't want to leave it on too long. It's sitting on my bench top here. We don't want to make a fire or burn my bench top. But it is working. And there you go. You can see the spark. See it? Alright. They must have had some kind of film on there to keep the contacts from corroding, you know, when they ship them from who knows where. Anywhere. Probably overseas, you know. Okay. I'm glad it's fixed. Boy, now we can start cooking. Yay. Thumbs up on this one. Well, there you have it, guys. An easy way to fix your Elite Gourmet Burner if it's not working right out of the box. You can do some testing yourself if you have some of the equipment. Now, mind you, it is 110 I'm testing here, but you didn't have to. I was doing a continuity test before and I figured it out, and I would have tested it, assembled it, and we wouldn't have had to been fooling with the 110 or 120 volts. So that's good. Alright guys, now it's time for an out, don't you? Something cold to drink. Yeah. Maybe a wobble pop. That sounds good. A little bonus footage here. Let's button this up. Okay, that looks good. We'll just go ahead and tighten it up. Alright. And that should be it. Yep, it was definitely getting warm. Yeah, it's nice now. Yeah, let's see it again here. We'll turn it on. There's a light. Beautiful. Yep, and it's getting hot, so I think we got it. Alright, now let's go start cooking and get that wobble pop. That sounds really good.